Solve the inequality. Write your answer in interval notation. 3.1 times the quantity 3 minus x is less than 2.9x. Both sides have a decimal on them. This is 3 1/10, 2 9/10. And in that case, to clear the decimals, we'd multiply both sides by 10. Of course, on the left side, 10 times 3.1 is 31. And that's times the quantity 3 minus x. On the right-hand side, 10 times 2.9 is 29x. On the left-hand side, we need to distribute 31 times 3, which is 93, and then subtract 31 times x, which is 31x. And that's still less than 29x. Now we need to add 31x to both sides. Let me do that vertically this time. And what that gives us as a result, because those sum to 0, is 93 is less than 60x. We have to divide both sides by 60. And so that would give us an answer of 93 divided by 60 is less than x. Now you could leave your answer as 93 over 60, except you have to reduce it. A 3 will divide into each of these. Or you could substitute those numbers into your calculator, and if you were to do that, let me read this from right to left. We would have x is greater than 1.55. That's the result you would get by substituting into the calculator. Now we need to write our answer in interval notation. So if x is greater than 1.55 in interval notation, that means we start at 1.55 but do not include it. So that's why we use the parenthesis. And then that goes up through infinity, where again we close the interval with a parenthesis. So in interval notation, it's 1.55 to infinity, not including either endpoint.